Welcome to a delightful dessert adventure. Today, we're making a creamy mint cacao avocado mousse that's not just indulgent, but also totally guilt-free. Let's begin with our star ingredients: ripe avocados, fresh mint leaves, rich cocoa powder, and all-natural stevia. Together, these simple yet powerful elements create a magical blend for a sweet treat that's kind to your body. First, we'll have our avocados and scoop the luscious green goodness right into a bowl. Next, it's time to pick some fresh mint leaves and give them a nice chop. Then, sift in some cocoa powder to bring that chocolatey goodness to life. Now, blend it all. Watch as these ingredients transform into a silky mousse that's deliciously creamy and inviting. Now, serve it up. Spoon the mousse into cute glass jars and finish with a lovely mint sprig on top. This elegant dessert is perfect for treating yourself or impressing guests. Craving a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth? Try this Mint Cacao Avocado Mousse and subscribe to Allie's Leaf Lab for a treasure trove of wholesome recipes.